In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve exercise number 1.1, question number 2. Name the properties used in the following equations. Letters where used represents real number. So that is part number 1, 4 plus 9 is equal to 9 plus 4. Commutative properties with respect to addition. Second part, that is a plus 1 plus 3 divided by 4 is equal to a plus into 1 plus 3 divided by 4. That is the associative property with respect to addition. Third, under root of 3 plus under root of 5 into plus under root of 7 is equal to under root of 3 plus under root of 5 plus under root of 7. That is associative properties with respect to addition. Next, fourth part, 100 plus 0 is equal to 100. Additive identity. 100 multiply 1 is equal to 100. Multiplicative identity. Next, sixth part, that is 1.4.1 plus into minus 4.1 is equal to 0. Additive inverse. Next, a minus a is equal to 0. Additive inverse. Next, seventh part, that is under root of 2 multiply under root of 5 is equal to under root of 5 multiply under root of 2. Commutative property with respect to multiplication. A into b minus c is equal to ab minus ac. Left distributive property. Next, x minus y into z is equal to xz minus yz. That is the right distributive property. Next, 4 multiply into 5 multiply 8 is equal to 4 multiply 5 into multiply 8. That is the associative property with respect to multiplication. Next, last property, that is a into b plus c minus d is equal to ab plus ac minus ad. Left distributive property, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah.